All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com. We'll be getting started any minute now. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? So yeah, we're gonna get started anytime soon. Just doing something real quick. One moment, guys. All right. So delete these. Boom. Two. Three. So yeah, what's going on, everybody? Go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from. I'm just doing something real quick. I'm changing the 5-step system into a 3-step system. I was like, man, 5 steps is kind of a lot. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just figure out how to shorten this, and I think I figured it out. Cool. All right, so let's go follow the 3-step system. Boom, boom. This is step number. What's going on, everybody? Go ahead and put in your name, where you're calling in from. We'll get started literally right after I complete this thing real quick. Boom. Reprogram. All right, let's see how that looks. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Is it recording? Forget it. Whatever. Boom. Gotta remember how I did this. Boom. So yeah, go ahead and put your name, where you're calling in from. I'm just doing something real quick. I'm about to finish up right now. Boom. Okay. All right. So what's going on, everybody? All right, let's go and start off. Time change sucks for me. Wow. Sorry to hear that. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com. Sorry for a little bit of the delay, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing what I call This Week in the Markets. Every single week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we come on live to see if there's anything available. The specific pairs that we look at are AUDUSD, EURUSD, USDJPY, and GBPJPY. There are a couple other things that I look at, but for now, this is what we'll be checking out. Okay, and we got the recording. I don't know what you mean. So what we're going to be doing right now is starting off with AUDUSD. All right, and we're going to see if we can be able to find anything. What I would definitely suggest to you guys is to make sure that you guys really pay attention to what I'm about to go over the next couple steps, and along the way, I'm going to let you guys know something that I'm working on that could be able to help you out if you're looking to be able to become an FX Pro now as well. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, 38.2. So let's go ahead and do this. Boom, share. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com. My name is Philip Anglade, and our goal is to be able to help you become a safe yet profitable trader. All right, and what we're looking at right now is AUDUSD, and it seems as though there was a level of resistance that was formed. We're looking at the H4 time frame. There's a very nice level of resistance that was formed right here, and I'm pretty sure if we were to go to the 30-minute, we'd be able to see it clear. Let's go ahead and check out this 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so this was rejected. I don't know exactly. Here's the thing, guys. AUDUSD, excuse me. AUDUSD and EURUSD are in interesting places right now. All right, they're having some issues. So they're in a bit of consolidation. This did. Here, let me go ahead and just take out all this stuff. This has been a downtrend for a while now, and being the fact that it was rejected at this point right here, I'm guessing that it's going to continue to push back down to this 0.7 area. So like 50 pips, that's a good move. Back down to this last low. Yeah, it's been making lower lows. Excuse me. It's been making lower lows and lower highs and stuff like that. So let's go to the daily. I want to see what it looks like on there. Yeah, the day just starting out at a point. At a negative 0.4% for the day. Yeah, it's lower than the EMA. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is looking to continue. Honestly, like being the fact that it's making lower lows and lower highs. Here, check this out. This is what I'm looking at right here. Point A, point B, point C, and this is being squeezed. And tested that area, and I think a continuation. Yeah, so go ahead. I'm going to look at this to push to the downside to at least 0.70. Like, this is a small trade. I don't really do these type of trades, but I'm just gonna call this one. And I'll just put my risk literally right above here. 40 pip stop. I should call this earlier. All right, what is it? 0. And then we're gonna just call that right above there. So I'm just gonna put 7-1. Like an even trade off. So I do want to see how it's going to react to this point right here. There is a level of support right here that can be had at this point. We're at M30. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, you see there's a level of resistance that was here at one point in time. Now could probably be support. See, the thing is, there's nothing really to base this on, other than the fact that for the last couple weeks, it's been a downtrend, but it's been flat in this whole area. So I want to be able to help you guys out. But honestly, when it comes to this, it's not like definitive. It's just going up and down. I'm not going to say too much about this one, but I'm just going to short it to 0.7 flat. I still have my buy-in for the long-term move. It's literally been doing this. Boom, 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 boom. I'm up on it, but like hardly anything. All right, so hopefully you caught something from what I just mentioned. If not, definitely on GJ, I'm going to be speaking on that one. On USDJPY, I'm going to be speaking on that one, and also on EU. Okay, so go ahead and go to fxpronow.com. Check out our 5-step system to become 3-step system. I just changed it, made it simpler. Check out a 3-step system to become an FX Pro Now, and let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and do EU. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you become a safe yet profitable trader. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. And what we're looking at as well is the fact that I literally caught this all the way at the bottom. I was just like, you know what, F it. I'm just going to get into this buy because I'm looking for this to continue to the upside. Either way, it may happen, may not, whatever. But I just see like a major level of support right here that's looking to be broken. I do see the fact that there has been point A, point B, point C as far as this trend line right here and this level of support. Look like it's squeezed through there. This is the retest, and then I'm looking for, I wouldn't be surprised for this to continue to the downside. Yeah, I'm saying, you know, for this to continue pushing up, but there's two different analysis. There's the long-term analysis, and then there's the short-term. The only reason why I have the analysis where I'm looking for this to push up is only because there's major level support on the higher time frame, like the weekly. But at the same time, I do have to take into consideration on the H4 right now, we do have you can call this a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What is that? Downtrend. So with that being the case, this was the level of support. We'll see this as a level of resistance now. We have the M50, the M50. That's my camera. That's so funny. we have the 50% right here in confluence with our monthly key level right here. And then also we have a level of resistance right here, that a level of support that was on the higher time frame, the weekly time frame. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. That purple line is, man, there's a lot of stuff. Yeah. So what we're looking at, let's take this off the weekly. And let's take this off the weekly as well. So this was the level of support that I was looking at. All right, level of support. This is still considered tested. Very nice bearish candle. I want to look out. You see this, this is the level of support that I was talking about, by the way, the purple line. Let's look at the daily. Did it close under? I guess so. Yeah, I'm gonna see this as testing this this EMA right here, and then a continuation. I'm not gonna fight it. I'm not going to, just because the analysis that I've had for a while, you know, stick to it just because my ego. That's stupid. I'm just gonna put point A, point B. We see this at 50%. Let's go ahead and put this this point right there. See this at 50% right here, at 1.1, like you can say like 3 flat, which is my monthly key level, which is interesting. So I'm going to see this after this is done, heading to 111111111. Let's go to the M30. And I want to look for engulfing candles. I guess not on the M30 if it's not enough. Let's look at the H1. We have one right there. Take this off. 50%. We do have a nice level of resistance right here that we could be able to reference. If price starts to close above here, we could be able to check out like what's going on. What are you doing? But yeah, if anything, I'd prefer this one as well. All right. I put the wrong thing. What did I just do? What the heck? What is this? I don't know what that was. Okay, so this is EU. Boom. And we're gonna go to 1111111. And I'm going to see this as my risk at, let's say 3.3. Boom. Then get out of that one. And from there, three. Okay. All right. So, yeah, that's EU, right? And how did I find that? All I did was go from point A to point B. I see 50% in confluence with this level of support that's now looking like resistance. Also with one monthly key level, and I'm heading to negative 27% on my fibs right here. And that's it. Literally it. Yep. All right. So thank you very much for your time. This is fxpronow.com. go ahead and check out our 3-step system to become an FX Pro now. Literally, just stay connected by receiving our group chat and Facebook information by having it sent to your email. And then from there, get into our YouTube channel. We have a live stream that goes off Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then from there, what we also have is a course that I designed that you can be able to actually learn exactly everything that I do. And it's been helping out a good amount of people. So go ahead and check it out on fxpronow.com. Let's get it. Peace. Oh, fucking. I hate when I do that. When I move my cursor away from the screen, it cancels the whole video that I just did. This is crazy.
You were doing a live.
All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and do USDJPY. But before we go ahead and actually do USDJPY, let's go ahead and actually check out what I've been speaking about. If you're live right now, what we're looking at right now is what do you call it? Is our actual site. So fxpronow.com. On fxpronow.com, what we see here is exactly what I was speaking about as far as the 3-step system to become an FX Pro now. Step number 1, you can be able to go ahead and actually unlock our group chat by clicking here, putting in your content information, and from there, once you actually put in your email, you can be able to go ahead and actually receive our chat and Facebook group information sent to your email. Okay, and then from there, you want to make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, so anytime that I come out with a video, you can be able to see it right away. You want to make sure that you click on the bell that's right next to the subscribe button as well, so you never miss out on anything. Every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday Eastern Standard Time, I'll go live at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's been helping out a good amount of people. And then from there, step number 3, you can be able to actually go ahead and actually check out our course. Now, our course has been helping out a good amount of people as well. You can be able to check out some of the stories of other people that have gone ahead and actually taken our course. Don't hear from me, hear from other people that have gone ahead and taken it. All right. The chat has actually, our actual private group chat has been doing very, very well. I'm seeing people make hundreds of dollars a day from the information that's been learned. It's pretty cool. So as you can see here, it's not just one person or a couple. There's a good amount of people that have gone ahead and actually taken the course. Find somebody that you can relate with, and from there, see if the story matches with yours and get started. So if you want to know a little bit about me, who am I, you can be able to check out my story. And here's the thing, guys. Like, I put it to you like this. This is not just me looking to teach people how to trade Forex. I promise this is just the beginning. What I'm looking to do is to teach people how to make money in a big way, and then we can be able to all come together and be able to do something big. What do I mean? Well, first you go ahead and take out the actual course. So when you actually take the course, you learn how to make money online in a big way, and then we'll go ahead and actually celebrate and travel together. The first cruise is going to be in August. We're going to have a good amount of people that are going to be coming, which is fun. The next phase is going to be where we're going to give back to the world by, doing nice stuff. And you can be able to go ahead and actually see some of the things that we're going to look into by clicking Learn More. And then the last step, which is going to be one of my favorite, to tell you the truth, I think it's supposed to be, not supposed to be, but I think it's going to be this one and then this one, because I plan to do this one in a big, big way. I may switch it up. Either way, Omni Living, what we're going to be doing is compounding our Forex earnings by investing into assets that will bring long-term gains, which would be very, very fun. So if you're interested in actually joining the vision of what we're going to be doing, go ahead and actually just click on this button, get started with phase number 1, which is the actual course. And from there, you can be able to get access to everything else that we'll be doing in the future. Now, if you're wondering, okay, what's in the actual course itself? Well, we have a curriculum starting out from the introduction all the way through to things like what type of trader should I be? You know, what types of traders are there? How time frames correlate with each other. What do you do on each time frame? As you can see, I was going from time frame to time frame. Each time frame has a meaning to it, and I'm not just on there for no reason. And then from there, TradingView fundamentals, you want to make sure that your charts are clean, not like mine right now. Got a whole bunch of things going on there. And then from there, where do I start marking on my charts? On the monthly and weekly key levels, you probably looked at those lines, like why are they there, how are they placed, and stuff like that. I'll go in great detail in this specific video. And then what do you do next? How do you know if the market will trend up or down? How do you know if the market should continue to go up or down? How do you confirm that the market is going to go up or down? And then from there, we talk about trend lines. We talk about the Fibonacci retracement tool. Specifically, how do I know how far price should retrace, and how can I know how fast and where it should go after it actually retraces as well, which is cool. So I go in great depth in those videos. Then after that, when exactly do I enter? So you see how we talk about all this stuff and then we talk about entry. There's a reason for that. A lot of people, they want to know when to enter, but you don't even know why you're entering. You're probably following what other people have told you, but there's reasons why we enter in certain ways. Anyways, how do I know whether to stay or get out of my trade? This is a very, very important video right here. And then from there, there's a couple other videos, but then at the end is the most important part. Yeah, it probably looks like 16 minutes, 12 minutes, 10 minutes. You know, these probably look like short videos, but I promise you each video is very, very, very condensed. What I did was, let's say if you see a 10-minute video, at one point in time, most likely it was a 30 to 40-minute video, but all I did was edit it to the point where you can't even hear me say There's a reason why this is called FX Pro Now, because we want to make sure that you don't have any fluff. I don't like to have fluff at all. So go straight to the point so you can be able to get this thing done and start making some money so that we can be able to get to this point. This is the most important. Not the most important, but if you would like to yeah. Anyways, so we have two different courses. We have an online course and we have an in-person course. The only people that are allowed to come to the in-person course are the people that have taken the online course. So the online course is only $4.97, and with the online course, you can be able to get access to all this content directly to you 24 hours a day, 24/7. And you'll be able to watch it at any point in time. There's over 50 videos that you're going to get access to. Also, you're going to be able to get a lifetime membership to what we are doing, and a private support group that you're going to be able to get access to, private weekly mentoring on Thursdays at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What we do is something just like this, but you can actually speak to me and ask me whatever questions that you'd like. I would definitely suggest to go ahead and actually take advantage of those sessions that I'll be having 24 hours a day. Like I said, you also get an invitation to our FX on the Beach celebration. By enrolling, you can be able to actually help a child, because every course that is sold, I actually give away a course as well. And I'm looking to be able to also provide laptops. So if you know anybody that is in the market of selling laptops at a very, very low price, let me know. Then if you are done with the online course and you're looking for a little bit more, you can be able to actually come to the in-person course literally for the same exact price. So the next course is going to be in March 28th through the 30th. It's 25 hours of actual content. Day 1, 5 hours. Day 2, 10 hours. Day 3, 10 hours. And day 4 until we're done, until you get it, until you understand. Okay? Now, so if you're ready to get started, you can be able to get into the online course or the in-person course, whichever one suits you better. And then we'll go from there. All right, guys? So let's go ahead and get into USDJPY. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the chat. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXPronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you become a safe yet profitable trader. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY, and this is literally just hovering on top of this trend line right here. It's been doing this for a while, and we called this buy from here, and it's still going. If anything, we see this at a very nice low point. I don't really use trend lines too often, to tell you the truth, but this is obvious that this is necessary for this particular pair right now. So what we see here is that it's really close to this trend line. And if anything, I don't know if you're already in this. Hopefully you are. If not, this is probably like one of those good times. Let me see if I'm in again. I didn't get in again. So if anything, this is probably one of those times. Boom. Okay. Yeah, the reason why I feel pretty confident about it is the fact that we're seeing a sense of consolidation over here, but then also like we're really close to this trend line. I don't really see a break in the trend line, being the fact that it's been following this for so long. It's an obvious uptrend. So let me see something real quick. Yeah, I'm just gonna go point A, point B, point A, point B, and then point C. As we can see here, it's just a little bit extra of a dip. Let me see something here. I've never pulled out my trend line like this before, but I just want to see what's going on. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna hold this one. Our take profit has been this 113.6 area for a while now. And this is where I just see it going. I don't see it going anywhere else. All right. It literally did the same thing over here at one point in time. This has actually been it's been more respectful than it has been. It's literally just been pushing up consistently for a while now. So that's my analysis on UJ. Nothing crazy. I just see this continuing to the upside. If it does break this trend line, I'll probably look back at it. If anything, my risk would be under this 110.7 area. Yeah, 110.7. And that's about it. Like nothing crazy when it comes to UJ. I just see this continuing to the upside, being the fact that it's holding this trend line area, even though I don't use trend lines like that. So yeah, 110.7. The reason why 110.7 is this is the last low, and for this to break this last low, tell you the truth, this would actually be the actual stop, but I'd just put it right here. Yeah, let's see something. I want to see something. I want to see something. Point A. Yeah, this never went to 38.2. Let's see if this did. Yeah, I guess this would be 38.2, but I don't think this is making H4 moves. I think this is making just H1 moves and then continue. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this on 1.7. Yeah. Yeah, it's literally right above that monthly. It just cleared the monthly and it's probably just looking to go back at that point and then continue. All right, so this was 113.6. Okay. All right, guys. So that's my analysis on UJ. It hasn't been anything crazy. It's not like it's been doing anything extra. Just continuation to the upside like we've been calling for a while now, literally. So if anything, when it comes to GBPJPY, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a lot more to speak about. I'm going from there. So go ahead and actually check out GBPJPY. Also, go into fxpronow.com. On fxpronow.com, we have a 3-step system to help you become an FX Pro now. If you like anything that I said, go ahead and click on the like button. Go ahead and comment something that you learned. But then also, when you go into fxpronow.com, make sure that you get into our group chat so you can be able to get access to everything that we're doing on a daily basis. And also into our Facebook group. But then from there, go ahead and actually subscribe to our YouTube channel, because every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live just like this. And if anything, you can be able to actually catch some pips with us. And the step number 3, we actually have an actual course that breaks down everything that I do. Maybe it could be able to help you out the same way it was able to help other people out as well. All right, guys, go ahead and check it out. Peace. All right. GBPJPY. Bro, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. I apologize. It's so funny, Shirley. You always put in you're always putting in some numbers, and most times YouTube blocks it from popping up. I don't know why. So let's go ahead and do this thing. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is we would help you to become a profitable yet a safe yet profitable trader. What we're looking at right now is GBPJPY, and on GBPJPY, this is looking pretty. Literally, and what's crazy is, like, I didn't even share this with you. We caught a 300 pip move. Like, this was beautiful to the downside. I was busy yesterday. I wasn't even looking at GBPJPY, and this thing blasted off, and I missed the entire move. But what I think is pretty interesting is the fact that we called this move to the T. When was this? March 3rd. I don't know what today is, but it's been, what, like 2 weeks that we called exactly this move. What do I mean? Well, we called the fact that this was going to push down, right? It's not that it was going to stop at 38.2. From this, the 38.2 was point A, point B, point C, 38.2 at 145.5. It wasn't that it was going to stop there. What I was mentioning is the fact that it would go at least there. So I had 3 trades that I entered in at, one at the top, one here, and then another one over here, right? So I closed 2 of them out right here. I forgot exactly how many pips it was. I think it was like 150 or something like that. And then the last one was about 280. Okay. And then from there, I saw it starting to push up. I set a close stop loss, it hit it, whatever. And then it continued to push. Well, what's interesting is when I called this back here, I said, hey, listen, it's going to push down, and then from there start to push up and continue its upwards move that we've had from here, boom, and then boom, right? So I kind of find it interesting, the fact that price is literally right there again, exactly where I mentioned. So what is it? Point A, point B, point C. Well, point C was here, but essentially it's literally at that level again at 145.5. So I'm going to stick to my analysis, and I'm looking for this to continue to push up. We obviously, for the last 1, 2, 3, 12 hours, and so 14 hours, it's literally been flat for the last 14 hours all throughout New York. Come on. I see this continuing to the upside. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's look at the M30 time frame, see how this is really forming. You're probably wondering, okay, I go to the M4, to the H4, to the M30. Why? Well, you're going to be able to know exactly why when you check out the UR indicator course. There's a reason for this stuff. Anyways, So what we see here, point A, point B, point C, we see the fact that this went to 78.6 and then boop, and then pushed. But this is the real move right here at 61.8. This is where I really see it found our level support. All right. Let's go to the H1 time frame. We'll see how this closed. I wouldn't be surprised. This is a doji, and it leveled off right at 61.8. Let's see. Oh, it did it. Right at 61.8. Pretty interesting. Pushed up, pulled back, and right now at this 140.5 area specifically. So what do I see? I see this continuing its way to the upside. I don't know how aggressive it's going to be, being the fact that a lot of the buyers came in, and then I don't know if they close out their trades or a lot of sellers came in. I don't know exactly which one. But what I do have to say is we did see the fact that the buyers got out at this level of resistance right here. And yeah, so I'm just going to say this. All I'm going to say is the fact that I see this continuing its way to the upside. If it doesn't, whatever. You'll probably miss out on a couple of pips, but I see this continuing. And where would I go? To essentially to this 148.88 area. But the only reason why I'm kind of like hesitant to do that is because when it comes to GBPJPY, there's been a series of it's two different things. Anyways, so there's been a series of resistance right here for a while. So 140.6 is that level of resistance. I wonder why I put it there and not the other one. Let's go see. Where are you getting that, Shirley? Where are you getting that from? Where are you getting 156? Because that's a long. That's far. Where are you getting that? Who told you that? All right. So, anyways, I'm looking for 148.8. I think this would be a good area. 148.8 makes a new high. Yeah. Shirley, where'd you get that, Shirley? Yeah, it's 149.1. Let's get all the wicks we can. Boom. Yeah, I'm looking good for that negative 27% area. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it at I'm not gonna get greedy with it. I'll just put it at the 148.3, the last high, and I think it would be fine. Long term, long term. Oh, oh, okay, yeah. 148.3 flat, and we'll do that again. 148.3. Boom. All right. So that's been my analysis. Let's see if I have my stops, because I'm not going to pay attention to these. So I need to stop on this one. 145.1. 145.1. Right. So I'm feeling good. I made a bunch today. Man, like I was walking with my daughter Amy, and it was like, it's just been great. What I'll definitely suggest to you guys is go ahead and check out fxpronow.com. go ahead and check out our free subsystem to become an FX Pro now. Step number 1, go ahead and get into our group chat. What I'll do is I'll send it to your email, and also get into our Facebook group. That'll also be sent to your email as well. That's step number 1. Step number 2, get into our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel every single week at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. What we do is we come on live and we see what is going on in the markets. And with that being the case, you can be sure you can be better. And with that being the case, yeah. So step number 2, going into sorry, I got some stuff going on. So step number 2, get into our YouTube channel every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We come on live, see if there's anything available. We'll make sure that you click on the alerts bell looking thing, because it'll make sure that you know that there's something popping up, and there's a new video going on. And then step number 3, go ahead and actually check out our You Are the Indicator course. It's been helping out a bunch of people. Don't just hear from me. There's a whole bunch of stories that are on there. Go ahead and check those out. All right, guys. Really appreciate your time. Speak to you guys soon. God bless. Let's get it. All right. All right, guys. So I appreciate your time. I am excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well. I want to know who on here has not taken the You Are the Indicator course. I want to know who has not taken the You Are the Indicator course. The reason why I ask is because I want to know, have you been helped? Have you been served? I want to know, have you been served? Who has not taken the You Are the Indicator course? Let me know, let me know. I want to know. Let me know, let me know. I want to know. All right, good. Oh, let's continue. All right, fine. I think it's done. I think it's done. I think it's done. I think it's done. All right. 255. Thank you very much, Sally. Ooh. Didn't miss some other charts. Yeah, maybe. But what I do is I post them up either way, so you'll be able to check them out. All right, guys. So great, appreciate your time. If anything, we'll be back on here tomorrow, Wednesday, 10 p.m. Standard Time. And we will go on from there. All right. Peace.